To only math tutorial point. Today we are going to see the tangents and secants concepts, formulas related to the circle, guys. So coming to arc is nothing but it is a part of the circumference. So here is the formula. Arc is equal to pi r theta by 180. See, this one will cover in higher studies, guys. So this can be used in terms of degrees, and arc equal to r theta. This is in terms of radians, where r equal to radius. Okay. Now coming to chord, a line segment that meets the circle into two distinct points. Chord is the line segment which meets the circle into two distinct points. Therefore, the chord formula equal to 2r into sine theta by 2. This also you will learn in higher class. I have mentioned the formula of chord here, where r equal to radius. Okay. Now coming to secant. The difference between secant and chord is it is a line segment that meets the circle into two distinct points, whereas secant it is a line which meets the circle into two distinct points. This is a line, this is a line segment. Okay, that is a difference. Okay, a line which meets the circle into two distinct points is called secant, and here we'll talk about, coming to the formula of secant, we'll talk about the line equation, guys. So y equal to mx plus c. Okay, I hope you understand this concept. In the next video we are going to cover the further terminology formulas, then we start the exercise, guys. Thank you for watching.